In front of me is cat B35, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into menu and accessing clock. Then select alarm section at the top left corner, and to add a new one, click on this left button. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click repeat and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Save them. Pick one of the available sounds. Save it. Oh, so sorry. Misclick. Select vibrate and decide if you wish to switch them on or off. And finally, after labeling it your alarm, hit save on the right. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, you need to select it and tap on middle button. To make some changes, select options on the right, edit your alarm, change whatever you want to, and then hit save. If you want to get rid of it, select options again, click delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!